Such obstinance!
It was bold.
It was brazen. It was dangerous. Mordecai.
Zeresh,
Yes, my love.
bring the lots.
As you wish. My husband, what are you doing?
He will be punished.
Mordecai alone isn't enough. Other Jews will follow his example. They must be dealt with.
Are you suggesting that we kill all Jews?
But, Grand Vizier...
Zeresh, the dice.
What are they for?
I know what I'm going to do. I just need to know when.
The king will never agree to this.
Xerxes is like clay in my hands.
But Persian kings have always supported them.
Then he must never know it is the Jews. Now, stand with me, or meet the same fate as those dogs. Do it! He may be prepared to die, but it's not only his life that I demand. Roll the dice.
For the day.
It's time those Hebrews pay for generations of decay. Roll the dice. I try to follow you with each step.
Roll the dice.
I try to keep my eyes straight ahead, but I wonder, am I willing to die?
Your promises remain. Creator, our Savior, please guide my... Mediatasa.
Have you seen my son?
No. He hasn't summoned me in weeks. He only sees Grand Vizier Haman.
He's even forgotten you.
Is something wrong?
The king of Persia needs more than a single counselor. If his father could see him now, well... I'm sorry for disturbing you.
I wish there was something I could do.
So do I. But keep praying. Perhaps your God will